Hello everyone, welcome back to math class. Children, in this class we are going to do the division using long division method. Right children, let us see how to do the division using long division method now. Okay, see children, the first question you can see is 46 divided by 2. What is the first question you can see? 46 divided by 2. Okay, this we have to divide using long division method. Okay, see children, here 46 is a dividend, right? This 46 is called dividend and 2 is the divider. Right children? Yes, 4 tens, 6 ones. That is 46 is a dividend. Okay, 2 is the divisor. So we are going to divide this 46 dividend by the divisor and we are going to find out the quotient. The answer obtained from this, we call it as quotient. Right children? So we are going to find out the quotient. Okay, let us see how to do now. So here, as I told you, 46 is the dividend. So 4 tens, 6 ones. Right children? 4 tens, 6 ones. Okay, we have to start from the tens place. Let us take 4. So we have to divide by 2. Right children? With the divisor 2. So it goes. How many times it goes 4 here? 4 how many times it goes? 2. 2 is 4. Right children? 2 times it goes 4. So 2 2s are 4. Right children? Here now we have finished with the tens place. 4 minus 4 we will get 0. Next we are going to bring down this 6 in the next step. Okay. Here again the 6 is a dividend. 6 ones is a dividend. We are going to divide by the divisor 2 here. Okay. So how many times 6 goes into? Yes. 2 3s are 6. Right children? 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. So what is the quotient we got here? 23. When you divide 46 divided by 2, we will get the quotient 23 is your quotient. Got it? Understood children this one? Okay, let us see one more sum. Okay. Now the second one is 65 divided by 5. So you are going to divide 65 divided by 5. So 65, what we call for the 65? Dividend, right. Then what is the divisor here? 5. Right children? Let us divide now. Okay. As I told you, 6 tens plus 5 ones are here. 6 tens, 5 ones are here. 65, we have to divide first. We have to take the number which is in the tens place here. The number which is in the tens place is 6. First let us divide the number 6 from the divisor 5. So how many times it goes? How many times? Only one time it goes. So 5 ones are 5. Right children? 5 ones are 5. So from the 6, when it goes from only one time 5 means, what you have to do? You have to mentally, you have to minus 5 from 6. That is 6 minus 5. What remainder you are getting? 1. When you minus 5 from 6, that is 6 minus 5, we will get 1. Got it children? In the next step, we are going to bring down this 5 down. Okay, here how many times it goes? 15. 15 is a dividend now. Okay, what is the divisor? 5. So how many times it goes? 3 times it goes. 5 3s are 15. Okay, children. So 5 3s are 15. So 15 minus 15, 0. This is the method to do the division. Okay, long division method. Do you understand, children? Yes. So once again I'll explain you. So 65 divided by 5. Okay, we have to find out the quotient here. So what we are going to do here, 65 is the dividend. We are going to divide the dividend by the divisor, that is the number 5. First, we are going to take the tens place. As we know this, 6 tens, 5 ones. Right, children? First, we are going to take the tens place, that is the number 6. So, how many times it goes from 5? Only one time it goes. So, 5 ones are 5. Right, children? Now, what we are going to do? We are mentally minusing 6 minus 5. That is 5 from 6. We are going to get the remainder 1. Right, children? Again, we are going to bring down this 5. What is there in the ones place? We are going to bring down this 5 to divide. So, it becomes 15 ones. Okay, that is 1 10, 5 ones, 15 ones. So, again this 15 we are going to divide by 5. So, how many times it goes? 3 times it goes. 5 3s are 15. So, 15 minus 15 is equal to, okay, when we minus this 15 minus 15, we will get the 0. So, here the quotient is 13. When you divide 65 divided by 5, you will get the quotient 13. So, this only we are going to find out in this long division method. Understood? Okay, now you have understood how to do long division method. Let me teach you how to do the division in the shorter way. Okay? In the shorter way, how to divide, we will see now. Okay, children? So, the first number you can see is 28 divided by 2. What is the number? 28 divided by 2. Here, the dividend is 28. Divisor is 2. So, from the 2, we are going to divide the number 28. Okay, using shorter way. So, how many times? As I told you, first we are going to take the tens. Yes, children. So, 2 tens, 8 ones is here. So, we are going to take 2 tens. We have to divide 2 tens by 2. That is 2. How many times it goes? 2. Yes, 2. It will go only one time. 2 ones are 2. Okay. So, 2, 1. That 1 we are going to write below the number 2. So, that means 2 ones are 2. Understood? Now, the next number what you can see in the ones place is 8. 8 ones. We are going to divide this 8 ones from or by the number 2. So, how many times 8 goes in 2? How many times? 4 times. So, that means 2 4s are 8. Right, children? We are going to write that 4 below the 8. Okay. So, this is your quotient. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Got it? Let us see one more sum. 72 divided by 2. 72 divided by 2. Okay, what is the number you can see in tens place here? 7, number 7. Okay, 7 tens, 2 ones is there. So 7 tens we can see. So first we are going to divide the 7 by 2. How many times it goes? From 2, 3 times it goes. Okay, 2 threes are 6 we will get. So 2 threes are 6. Right children? So we are going to write 3 below 7. 2 threes are 6. So what you have to do here? What is left over here? We need 6, but the number is 7. 7 we can't divide by 2. What we have done? We have divided the 6. So what is left over? Mentally you are going to subtract this. Subtract the number 7 minus 6. What is left over? 7 minus 6? 1. So that one you are going to write upon the 2. So that is 2 ones will be there. No? There you are going to write 1. Upon the number 2 you are going to write that. So here that is 1 tens, 2 ones. Okay, that will become 12. Number 12. Okay, so that means you are going to divide 2 by which number? 12. 12 you are going to divide. Now we have finished with the number 7. Okay, now we are going for the number 2. Here we will get again the number 12. So 2, 6 times it goes. 2 6 are 12. Got it? 2 6 are 12. Understood? The next number 5. 65. 65 is the dividend. 5 is the divisor. You are going to divide 65 by 5. So first we are going to take tens. Right children? That is 6 tens. How many times it goes from 5? Only one time. That is 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. So mentally I told you minus. So 6 minus 5, 1. So that 1 is left over. That 1 we are going to write here. Okay. That means it will become 15 ones. You should not add here. 5 plus 1 you should not add. Got it? It will become this tens. 1 10 will be remained. No, no. So from when you minus 6 tens minus 5 tens, how many tens you will get? So 1 10 will be as a reminder. Right children? This reminder 1 10 plus 5 ones again. It will become 15. So how many times 15 goes in 5? 3 times. So 5 threes are 15. Understood how to do the shorter way method? Yes, I hope you understood. Children, now let us find out the dividend, divisor and the quotient by this the given picture. In this the given picture. Okay, let us see how to find out the dividend, divisor and quotient. Okay children, see here the total number of stars present. How many stars are present in this? That is the dividend. Let us count and see how many stars are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many stars are present here? 8 stars. So that is the dividend. 8 is the dividend. So how many groups they have made here? This 8 stars, how many groups they have made here? Do you have any idea? Yes. How many stars? They are distributed in 2 groups. 1 group and 2 groups. Right children? These 8 stars is equally distributed in 2 groups. That is, the divisor is 2. Got children? Now we have to find out in each group how many stars are there. Okay, in each group how many stars are there, we are going to find out. That is the question. So that means 8 divided by 2. 8 stars are equally distributed, okay, into 2 groups. So in each group, how many stars will be there? Let us see now. In one group, we can see 1, 2, 3, 4 stars. Right, children? In one more group, 1, 2, 3, 4 stars. So that means 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Okay, now the statement we can say as that is 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. So 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Now we have found the dividend, divisor and quotient. Right, children? Now let us do one more sum in this. So here we can see the flower. Right, children? So how many are there? Let us count it first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So the total number of flowers is 20. That is the dividend. 2020. This, how many groups is formed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many groups are formed? 5 groups. That is the divisor. So what is the quotient now? We have divided this 20 in the 5 groups. Okay, we have divided this 20 in the 5 groups. So in each group, how many flowers are there? That will be your quotient. So in one group, how many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means in each group, the flowers are divided into 4. Okay, 4 flowers or 4 objects will be divided. That is the quotient. So that means how can you say this? 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. Understood, children, how to find out the dividend, divisor and quotient? Yes. Now let us move for the fill in the blank. That is your next main in your textbook. Okay, fill in the blanks. If 8 into 2, if 8 into 2 is 16, then 16 divided by 2 is how much? What is the question? They are asking that 8 2s are 16. We all know that 8 2s are 16. Now children, 8 into 2 is 16 means 16 divided by 2. What is the quotient we will get? Do you have any idea? No. So as I told you children, that is the multiplication fact. Okay, each multiplication fact will be having division fact and each division fact vice versa. I told no, division fact will be having multiplication fact, multiplication will be division fact. Okay, so that means 16 divided by 2, that is 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. When you divide 16 by 2, it goes 8 times. So 2 8 times 16. Got it? Next, if 10 into 2 is 20, then 20 divided by 2 is how much? We have to find out. 10 2s is 20. So then 20 divided by 2. This 20 is the dividend, 2 is the divisor. How many times it goes? 20 into 10 times. That is 2 tens are 20. Got it, children? 10 twos are 20. When you divide this 20 by 2, you'll get 10 as a quotient. Got it? Next one. If 5 into 5 is 25, that is 5 5s is 25, then 25 divided by 5 is how much? 25 divided by 5. So 25 is the dividend, 5 is the divisor. So you have to find out the quotient. So this 25, how many times goes in 5? 5 times. That is 5 5s are 25. Got it, children? I hope you all understood this. Understood, now, children? Any doubts in this? No. Okay, children, let us see the next main in the next class. Thank you.